In this video, we learn about call, apply, and bind method in JavaScript. So let's get started. Hello guys, you're watching Technical Bench YouTube channel and I am Kunal, and in this video we learn about call, apply and bind method. So these three methods are very important in JavaScript. If you give JavaScript and React interview, the chances are the interviewer must ask you the difference between the call, bind and apply method. So in this video we learn about these method and we learn which method we need to use as per the requirement. So I open the editor and create a sample HTML boilerplate and add a script.js file. So we go to the script.js file. First we learn about the call method. The call method allow you to create a method that can be used on different object. Okay, suppose we have a object name person, and this person have two properties, name and age, and we have a method print details, and the print method is only log out the name and age. So as you know, if we want to access the property of this person object inside the method print detail, we need to get these value from the this. So the this keyword refers to the object whose function is the property of. So the this keyword refers to the object whose property is the function of. So if I need to access this print detail property, call this by person dot print detail and save this file. As you can see, it logged the name and the age. So now we learn in which scenario we can use the call method. Suppose we have another object name user, and this object also has a name and a age, and suppose we need to use this method, this print detail method for the user object. So as I told in the definition of call, the call method allow you to create a method that can be used on different objects. So we can use this print detail method for the user object. So now we use the call. So we need to write person dot print details dot call. Inside the call we need to add the user object. And now if I save this, so as you can see, it will log the name and the age. Okay, another scenario of using call is that suppose we need to create a general function and the purpose of that function is only to log the name and the age. So if I remove this print detail from this object and paste it here, use a constant, and we have a function. Okay, so in that case, if I need to use this print detail function for these objects like person and user, so how we can access these? So in that case, you just need to remove the person and just call the print detail dot call and add the user, and for the person same, just add the person here and save this file. As you can see, it will log this user and the person. So I hope you understand the call method and you know in which scenario you need to use the call method. And now we discuss about the apply method. Apply is same as the call, but the apply method take argument as an array. So suppose I need to pass another argument, say gender, say male, and the city name which is Delhi, and same I copy this and paste it here, and we also need to get these values like gender and the city, and we log out these value like the gender and the city. Okay, so in case of apply, you need to pass the second argument as an array. So if I change this call to apply and add this array and save this file, so as you can see it will give us the same output as before. So this is the apply method. Okay, so now we learn about the bind. So the bind method return a new function and the value of this keyword will be bound to the owner object, which is provided as a parameter. And unlike the call and apply method, the bind method doesn't immediately execute the function, it just return a new function. So what that mean? So in case of bind, I copy this and if I paste it here and I use the bind, if I save this, it do not log anything because the bind method doesn't immediately execute the function, it just return a new function. So it just return a new version. So say I assign this to, say, let user function. Okay, and if I call this user function and save this, so and now you are able to see the output. So what is going on here is that this bind method return a new function and the value of this keyword will bound to the owner object, which is in this case is the user, and the bind method doesn't immediately execute the function, it just return a new version of it. Okay, I hope you understand call, apply and bind and know the scenario in which you need to use call, apply and bind. If you like this video, click on the like button, and if you want me to create more video like this, please write in the comment section. And if you do not subscribe this channel yet, subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for the latest video update. Thank you very much.